Hey guys, it's me Nina. So I have a squishy and it's really soft because it's a jumbo peanut bun with the pink bow before, but then it got rubbed off because I put water on it and then it became like this. But then when I put it on a tight spot, like I don't know, that squishes this, and then one day later it just poofs, turned into like this. And I was really happy, and this was my first squish ever. So, and I'm gonna do what happens if I put 10 rubber bands on this squishy, and for about 60 seconds, like 1 minute. So let's go. And yes, this is my bed. So let's go. Now you're gonna need loom bands, so I got this loom band. So let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 rubber bands. So I have this pink one. Can I put my foot? I just got defected. I think this is a bad idea. Ask your parents for permission, or you can just do it by yourself if it's your school machine. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what 5 look like, and it's pretty squishy, and I have 5 more to go. So let's do it. For this video, I'm trying to do as fast as I can because because there's people in the house and like, oh my god, they might see me and this was stupid. So I got 10 rubber bands, so let's count to 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 18, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So it has been 60 seconds. So let's take this out. I'm scared this will tear apart, and I don't know what. So that's 1 of it. 2. Oh, some just fell out, but that's okay. Oh, look at that mark. Yes, it worked. Oh, I just slide off. Okay, I got 1 more to do. See, it's perfectly fine, but it just got ripped like everywhere, like everywhere. But still squishy, and I really love this squishy. So hope you enjoyed this video, and catch you guys later. Bye.